I was scared of a Lego set, specifically this Lego set. More specifically, the bushes in this set. This has little tiny pieces. I walked away from this set for over 2 weeks because of it. But there was something about this set that I just couldn't put my finger on. When I actually started building, I couldn't stop. I did 10 bags in one session. Everything was just snapping into place and you could hear each click. It was all just coming together right in front of my eyes and my hands. There's nothing left over for the noise. But then I got to the water section. But more about that later. Then I got to the part with the pink flowers. I put it down for over 2 weeks. You're scared of a Lego set called Cherry Blossoms? Are you a man or a mouse? Squeak up. Okay, here we go. I need to build 8 of these. Mommy, I'm scared. Dropping far less than I expected. Last one. 3, 5, 7, 8. Woohoo! And there we go. That was not as bad as I thought. Whew. That one thing I couldn't remember? It's the blue tiles. They remind me of the Starry Night. Would this be as soul-crushingly difficult as this one was? What the heck? You only live once. But after testing the water a little bit, one more. Now I'll go to bed. I think I'm getting tired. I think I'm getting tired. Oof. Yeah, I think it's time I went to bed. Oh, I just really want to see how this ends. Oh, wow. Oh, man. That's beautiful. It's actually one of the most memorable parts of the build. And this part right here, it's a design flaw. And that costed a Zenfig. Come here, I want you to see this. What do you think of that?
Beautiful.
Ain't it?
He likes it. My grandpa likes it.
Everywhere you looked, there was something new for your brain to process. That's this set. There was no room left to think of anything else. Let's get to the Zenfigs. Tom, this set scores 10 Zenfigs. Perfect set to calm your mind. And for focus, 9 Zenfigs. And kept me tuned into the set and tuned out from the world. Joy, 9 Zenfigs. It actually brought me back to my trips to Japan. So the total score of 28 Zenfigs brings the LEGO Japanese Cherry Blossom Landscape set firmly, decisively, and deservingly into my Zen Zone. So now, my question is where to hang this? Behind me or off camera in front of me as my personal Zen Zone spot? Cast your vote in the comments below, and after I've tallied them up, I promise to do exactly what my wife tells me. Squeak, squeak.